This is my garden. First thing I look at when I open the curtains in the morning. It's hard work keeping it like this, but worth it in the long run. I've got about 30 geraniums in the greenhouse which want to come out yet to brighten it up a bit. Rhododendrons are finished now, well next year. Grass is not looking good, needs a lot of rain. Very windy today. That's allotments on bite. Belongs to Derbyshire Council. So nobody can come and build houses on bite, so we've got a clear view. Sun comes up on the left in the morning and it's on all day, goes down all those trees.